When it comes to improving your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and appearance, new windows are one of the smartest investments you can make. However, even the best windows can fail to deliver their benefits if they're not installed correctly. Many homeowners in Fort Lauderdale encounter costly issues after a DIY or inexperienced installation. Fortunately, local window experts know how to avoid these pitfalls and ensure flawless results every time. Incorrect measurements. One of the most common mistakes during window installation is taking inaccurate measurements. Even a small miscalculation can lead to gaps, drafts, and water leaks. Some homeowners assume that a close enough fit will work, but this approach often results in poor insulation and reduced performance. How Fort Lauderdale experts avoid it. Professional installers use precision tools to measure window openings to the nearest fraction of an inch. They account for variances in wall angles, settling in older homes, and the type of window frame being used. By ensuring the perfect fit from the start, they eliminate the risk of gaps or uneven installation. Ignoring the local climate. Fort Lauderdale's humid, coastal climate presents unique challenges for window installations. High humidity, salty air, and frequent rain can cause premature deterioration of window frames, seals, and hardware if the wrong materials or techniques are used. How experts avoid it. Fort Lauderdale window professionals understand local weather conditions and recommend materials designed to withstand the heat and moisture. For example, they often choose vinyl or fiberglass frames instead of wood, which can warp or rot. They also use corrosion-resistant fasteners and sealants that prevent moisture infiltration and ensure durability in coastal environments. Poor sealing and insulation. Improper sealing around the window frame is another major issue that can lead to energy loss, drafts, and even mold growth. Many inexperienced installers skip or rush through this step, believing that caulk alone will suffice. How experts avoid it. Experienced installers use a multi-step sealing process. They apply weather-resistant flashing tape, insulation foam, and high-quality caulking specifically rated for South Florida's heat and humidity. This layered approach creates an airtight and watertight barrier that maximizes energy efficiency and prevents air leakage. Skipping the leveling process. Windows that aren't properly leveled or squared during installation can lead to operational issues, like difficulty opening and closing, uneven seals, and premature wear. This mistake often occurs when installers rush the job or fail to check alignment as they go. How experts avoid it. Fort Lauderdale installation teams use specialized leveling tools and laser guides to ensure windows are perfectly square and plumb. They verify alignment at every stage of the process, from placing the frame to tightening the final screws. This attention to detail ensures smooth operation and longevity for every window. Neglecting proper water drainage. In South Florida, heavy rainfall is a given. Poorly installed windows that lack proper drainage channels can allow water to seep inside the home, leading to costly damage over time. How experts avoid it. Professional window installers design every installation with water management in mind. They ensure proper flashing, sloping, and weep holes are in place to direct water away from the window and exterior walls. By preventing moisture buildup, they protect your home from leaks and structural issues. Using low-quality materials. Even with skilled labor, using cheap materials can compromise the entire installation. Substandard caulking, fasteners, or frames won't hold up against Fort Lauderdale's weather conditions. How experts avoid it. Local professionals source premium materials from trusted manufacturers known for coastal-grade performance. They also stay up to date with the latest energy-efficient window technologies and installation standards to provide homeowners with lasting value and comfort. Overlooking building codes and permits. In Fort Lauderdale, window installation must comply with strict local codes, especially for hurricane-prone areas. De-installations or unlicensed contractors often ignore these regulations, putting homeowners at risk of fines or failed inspections. How experts avoid it. Certified Fort Lauderdale window installers handle all necessary permits and ensure every project meets or exceeds Florida building code requirements. This includes using impact-resistant glass and proper anchoring systems for hurricane safety. Final thoughts: window installation might seem straightforward, but it's a precise craft that requires experience, specialized tools, and knowledge of local conditions. By choosing trusted Fort Lauderdale window experts, homeowners can avoid costly mistakes and enjoy windows that perform beautifully for years to come. From exact measurements to weatherproof sealing and code compliance, professional installers ensure every detail is handled with care, so you can sit back, relax, and enjoy the view with confidence.